still showing up every day. Pagod pero okay, finding my own way. Coffee cold, hair tied high. Running late, but still I try. In between the roles I play, I'm still learning every day. Hindi man perfect, it's alright. I'm growing through this life. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Strong and soft in every way. Work, love, life, okay lang, laban lang every day. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Still becoming, that's my way. Not perfect, but I stay showing up every day. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Welcome to Bye-Bye!
Hi, we're back with another episode. I think this is our fourth episode, but who knows? We might.
It's our fifth.
Fifth? Oh, yeah, that's true. Fifth episode to date. And so far, dami namin viewers, mga 50,000 na sila. Hi to our 50,000 viewers. Thank you so much for watching from beginning to the end. Lalo na sa number one supporter ko, yung partner ko, na talaga namang 5 minutes pa lang tulog na siya.
Correct.
Anyway, so I guess today let's start with an interesting topic
What's our first, what is our topic?
to start with. Let's talk about work-life balance.
Ay, kailan ba tayo nun?
Yes, is it a myth or reality?
Exist ba yun?
So it's a myth for you. Akin,
Life balance. Sige.
sige, for you, is it a myth or reality? And then we can dissect, and then maybe along the way we'll change your mind.
I think there's no such thing as balancing work and life.
So for you, it's a myth.
Oo.
Sa
Kasi
akin,
it's always something. Hindi lagi na mayroon pantay.
something's gotta give.
Yes, something's got you. It's either you work hard because your life depends on it.
Yes.
Diba?
But can
Most
it
of the
exist?
time,
Hindi
can it
pa rin.
exist? I don't think so.
Sabi ko, I asked my coworker about this.
Oh, that's
Kasi,
good Tinanong mo na sila.
tinanong ko na sila. Kasi I wanted to know their opinion about it. And someone told me, gave me an interesting answer. He said, it's
Oh,
called
it's a he.
work gay guy, of course. At KMC, we're 80% gay. He said it's actually work-life synthesis. Sabi ko, ano ibig mong sabihin? Because ang alam ko lang, work-life balance, may synthesis pala sa options. So, kumbaga, option A, B, and C, siya dun sa D. Other, synthesis. Work-life synthesis. Meaning, yun nga, essentially what you said, something's gotta give. So, for now, you work a lot, you focus on your job, so that you can focus on your personal life later on.
Yes.
So, parang ganon, hindi siya yung at the same time. Hindi ka nagmo-multitask. Which somehow made me agree kasi, like, what do you call this? Multitasking is doing multiple things at the same time, but really suck at both. You know what I mean?
Correct.
Like,
So,
doing
you believe
multiple
na,
things badly.
Dati, naniniwala ako na, kasi my former boss before, so galing mo, jack of all trades ka. Pero ngayon, mas naniniwala ako na, for me, yung jack of all trades is a master of none.
Yes, correct.
Kasi I've been through it eh. Kasi in life, parang gusto ko maging ganito ako. I want to be everything all at the same time.
Yeah.
Pero, fast forward to now, parang, ewan ko, maybe it's just like, tinanong ko nga si ang husband ko eh, saan ba ako magaling eh?
Mm-mm.
Sabi, magaling naman sa lahat, pero hindi magaling-magaling.
Hindi ka na expert.
Hindi ka expert. Kaya, in order for you to be an expert of something, you really have to
Spend a lot of time on it.
a lot of time para maging master ka nun or para maging expert ka doon sa gusto mo.
Yes.
Field na yun.
Yes. I hate that I cannot quote the book that where I read this or I got this information from. Pero sabi
Pwede
nga,
yun, I think. Pwede ba yun?
hindi ko lang maalala kasi. Hindi ko, I hate that I cannot recall
Yeah, okay.
which book. Pero kasi I read somewhere na for people who master something, they really allocate a lot of their time. And in return, they will suck at the rest of it.
Oo.
So, master of one, but what's the opposite of master? I don't know. The rest, hindi ka talaga magaling. Yeah, you kind of suck at everything else. Parang ganon. You can be a great father, but suck at your job. Or everything else in your life. Or you can be a great provider, say, sino bang billionaire ngayon? Like, the likes of Elon Musk. But you're not really a great father figure, or you're not a great partner.
Correct.
Like, we're not saying that you cannot be both, but something will suffer. Hindi pwedeng pareho kang magaling sa more than one.
Yes. So, totoo ba yung pag sinabi na
Subject.
successful ka in life tapos zero ka sa love life?
Siguro hindi specifically sa love life, pero sa ibang bagay, parang ganun. Sabi nga nila, sabi ni Chris Aquino, if you're good at...
Chris Aquino yung pagpasok. Napaka-random.
Nung time na okay pa, nasa ano pa siya, nasa visibility. Nung nasa entertainment industry pa siya. Kasi dami niyang talk show. Anyway, so parang she mentioned something about if you're great at numbers now, you don't have a great love life, something like that. Parang generalize niya na ganun. Yeah, pero parang sa akin, well, yeah, like career women, di ba?
Tama yun eh. May point. Kasi,
Arguably, you are kasi you do what you think is best for your kid,
yes.
as we all do as mothers.
Di ba yung mga sa telenovela, nagagalit yung mga anak nila because
Walang oras yung
Oo, walang nagtatrabaho. Pero hindi nila alam.
it's for them.
Nagtatrabaho tayo mga magulang for them. So, where do we position ourselves?
Exactly. So, yun yung actually sinend ko sa IG na hindi mo binasa. It's in
Hanggang
relation.
ngayon?
It's in relation to that. That's why I sent it to you.
Okay.
So, parang nakalagay kasi doon is women are expected to be great at their personal lives. Be great at being a mom, be great at being a housewife, be great at being a wife,
Aray.
and all the domestic roles of the society. So for them to see a woman being successful or be an entrepreneur or CEO or a boss lady or an empowered woman is a surprise for them. So parang
Actually, it's not a surprise eh. Parang it's beyond the norms.
yes, parang it's not normal for them.
Mhm.
It's extraordinary for you to be able to do all of that.
Correct.
Kasi sa kanila, apart from being successful, you should also be a good mother. Whereas on the flip side of the coin, men, if they're successful at their careers, at their business, or at their profession, they're not expected to be a great father. It's not side by side or parang hindi siya dapat parehong successful ka para ma-determine kung totoong deserve mo yung compliment na you are successful.
Yes.
Kasi the next question in an interview, when you interview someone who is a successful woman, ang tatanungin mo, paano mo nagagawa? How can you do it? How are you able to juggle running a household, being a good wife, being a good mother? But in reality, sometimes something's gotta give. And what we do is we delegate the task. Whereas men, some, I'm not gonna generalize, but a lot, what they do is they delegate it to the wife. Ganon, kasi parang let me be the provider, sure.
Yes.
So who does everything else is the wife.
It's
But
right.
but on the other side naman, if the woman has to do everything, she also is expected to do the household stuff.
Yes.
Like, hindi pwedeng sabihin mo, I want to be a career woman. Now, figure it out. Like, figure it out. Paano mo mapaprioritize yung career mo? Ikaw mag-figure out how you can delegate your role to the
It's pretty
society.
sad knowing that.
It is.
Kasi, so when it comes to men, sa akin, sa husbands and our partners, normal na sa kanila, they're the provider of the
Yes.
family.
Parang they
So,
have the
kailangan-
right to
Oo.
to spend their
Yes.
time on that.
So pagdating doon sa role na yon, of course, talagang normal na kailangan gawin nila yun.
Yeah.
Pero sa atin, kailangan tayo yung
Mag-iron out muna ng
yes,
ang una mong
kailangan tayo
obligasyon
ng
yung sa bahay.
perfect pagdating sa bahay. So ngayon, kapag medyo hindi mo na fulfill yun, hindi ka nakapagluto ng ulam, kasi
Oh my
may work ka rin naman, sa'yo ang balik. Pero,
Totoo.
I'm not generalizing. Maraming salamat kung may mga husbands na nakakaintindi ng gano'n, just like mine. Hindi ko na, pinakalimutan akong hugasan ng pinggan.
Yeah. Some households
Something
are naman, parang like modernized na, and then the relationship or the partnership is at that level of pero in general, not even just in Filipino culture, you'll be surprised, especially in Middle Eastern countries where they're not as, I don't know the proper word, it's not just woke, but they're not parang
Used to.
liberated enough to understand na women has other
Yes.
roles that they can do or put, like, fill the shoes of a man's role in the household, and there's nothing wrong with it, like especially if that's what works best. If you think, oh, I make more money working outside than taking care of the kids and staying and doing the domesticated stuff, then by all means go work outside. Some countries kasi, like the Middle Eastern countries, sila yung pinaka heavy on that kasi we would think na yung Philippines medyo late in the game, but actually we're one of those that are actually not patriarchal anymore, not as much anymore.
Yes. Lalo na yung mga Gen Zs at saka yung mga late millennials.
Yes, correct. Very
Napansin
empowered
ko
na.
yun.
Sobrang empowered na ng mga kababaihan.
I think it has something to do with social media. Na dati, very very stereotypical yung rules ng ng bawat
Babae.
isa sa isang pamilya, lalo na sa mga babae. Ngayon, siguro na-appreciate na rin ng mga lalaki how can a wife help in the providing for the finances. Na it's not a big deal anymore.
Oo, kasi may feet pics naman, may OnlyFans.
Oh my God!
Siyempre, yung mga lalaki,
Ano naman?
mga paa na mukhang mabaho. I'm just kidding. Wala naman kasi sa Philippines nun eh. So, walang platform.
Really siya
It doesn't
really-
exist here.
Really? Even if we download it,
I don't think hindi siya
hindi siya mag-work.
Hindi mo siya mag-download here. I don't think so. Unless yung old school na DM mo yung hindi siya yung parang platform talaga na.
Anyway,
Pero at the same time, you said na sila, the Gen Zs or the like kids these days na ganun. But at the same time, they're also looking to be babied. To be
Babied.
spoiled by the partner. Parang nandun sila.
Parang mas, nga sila ngayon. Alam mo dati, honestly, hindi ako fan ng Gen Zs. Pero as we go along our episodes, and mas may mga nakikilala na even my team, ang team ko,
Filled with Gen Zs.
puro Gen Zs, and they're very dynamic. Though, syempre, wala namang perfect, pero din downside yung pagiging dynamic nila. Pero ang napapansin ko, they're very independent. They know what they want.
Those are two different things kasi. Parang you can be independent and know what you want, but sometimes people know what they want, but they're dependent on the person who provides it. I want this, but I'm not gonna work on it. I am expecting my partner to give it to me. This is the lifestyle that I want.
Serious?
Yes.
Ganun ba?
I'm not focusing on the demographic of the Philippines, demographic of like the millennials, or sorry, the Gen Zs in the Philippines, but in general, like the world as a whole, yung mga Gen Zs, parang yun ang peg nila, like the zaddies, yung mga image na you're provided for, hence the culture of OnlyFans. They want easy, fast money. We can edit this out. But I don't mean na there's anything wrong with that.
Of course, of course.
As long as wala kang pamilyang nasisira.
Oo
You do
naman.
you, right? But what I'm trying to say is they're smart in that sense. Like they're smart that they can get what they want without even needing to do the usual corporate ladder. There are other ways,
Okay, so
yes.
that's where you're heading.
Yes, there are other ways to do it, and they're smart. They're smart to think that they can just easily ask for it,
Yeah.
right? And sometimes it will be given to them.
Balik ako doon sa sinabi mo. They know what they want and they're really smart about it.
Mm-mm.
Alam nila kung paano nila kukunin yung gusto nila.
With minimal
less,
effort.
oo, minimal effort or less legwork.
Mm-mm.
Ang hindi ko lang makita naman, for me, I'm just trying to recall yung mga times na I get to chance upon Gen Zs na yung sinasabi mo na nagiging dependent sila.
Parang they're expecting, like, sa partnership, na they're expecting na their partner should be able to provide what they want, like the lifestyle that they want. They're not like
Okay,
us
okay.
millennials na for me to have this kind of lifestyle and yeah, the life that I want is I need to work for it. Whereas the new generation thinks about it in a different perspective where another person can come in and give me that life.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ganon. So that's
Romantic relationship.
yeah. Well, who knows, right? It can be transactional. It can be a serious romantic. It exists, right? So
Pumasok sa isip ko, you said that
transactional.
transactional.
You'd be surprised how common it is these days, especially with the kids. But yeah, so that's that. Anyway,
How about you? I have a question ko sa'yo. So, naniniwala ko sa work-life balance.
naniniwala ko dun sa we try to balance life because you cannot really tell like
Diba?
ibang
How can you
demand,
measure?
yung the demand of life cannot be controlled. There are times na you really need to spend more time at home or there's extra need from your side that nobody else could fulfill. For example, as a mother, may mga bagay na ikaw lang talaga makakagawa. Even though you wanna pour everything sa job mo, you really have to step back a little. So, not all companies are able to give that bandwidth for you to have room for your family or the flexibility to do that. If the question is, does it exist? I think it does. Work-life balance for those who have the liberty financially.
Financially. Makes sense.
Yes, if you have the bandwidth to maano ka lang, sige, if it means I'm not gonna make the same amount of money by giving the same amount of time I used to give,
Yeah.
then it means it's equals to having more time with my family, then it's okay by me kasi hindi siya malaking kawalan sa akin financial. You know what I mean? But for those na wala naman ding choice, diba? So, they will just work and work and work.
Correct.
And-
Ngayon, it makes me think na ngayon ang work-life balance is sort of a reminder. It's not literally, it doesn't literally mean yung mismo sinabi mo na work-life balance. Siguro it's just a reminder for people.
You still have a life outside work.
Oo, a
Yes.
life outside work. Tapos
Correct.
for example, promoting siya sa, usually nag-start yan, pinopromote yan sa office na dito, when you get hired, meron kang work-life balance, kasi you have enough time for your family, hindi ka masasaga, something like that. Pero it doesn't really, for me, it doesn't really exist.
Medyo borderline scam siya.
Can we agree?
Borderline na scam ka, girl. Wag kang ano.
Oo. Dito may work-life balance. Diba, alam mo na, una ko narinig yan sa mga call center.
Ako una ko narinig sa mga MLM, like multi-level marketing. Doon ko siya first talagang narinig. Sabi, dito you control your time, may work-life balance ka, you can make this money, and you
Financial freedom.
yan ang
Time
mga
freedom.
tagline. Tapos,
Yeah.
pero, no work, no money talaga. That's really what it means. If you're not gonna work, you're not gonna make money.
Pwede siguro yan sa mga mga Upper East Siders.
Upper East Side. Sa mga,
mga may
sa LA kami, Lower Antipolo. LA.
Sa Pilipinas, ano yung Upper East Side?
Ang East is our side, sa Rizal.
Sa Rizal.
So, Upper East.
Sa'yo pala yun.
Kami pa. G, hindi ko ramdam.
Oo nga, kasi paakyat yung sa inyo.
Literal na upper talaga. Bundok.
Di ba? So kayo, tanong nga kayo.
Sumagot kayo, please lang.
So, kayo ngayon din. May work-life balance ba talaga?
Actually, yung the company I work for, that's one of our taglines. Nakalagay yan sa isa sa mga offices namin talaga, making work and life better.
Really?
From our side,
Sa
sa
amin
department namin, I agree ha. I agree.
Oo.
Na-achieve naman siya.
Sa amin naman hindi ko na-promote yun. Parang
At least hindi ka nila na-scam. Honest naman
oo,
sila.
hindi nila pinapromote yun, pero they make us feel. And of course, ako din naman naniniwala na you have to work hard for this one para mas maramdaman mo yung
Yun yung life na yung sinasabi na,
lighter days ahead and comfortable days ahead. You really have to work hard for this. Kasi
planting season mo, kumbaga.
planting season for 5 years. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, pero gano'n talaga. Gano'n talaga. Kasi yung
Huwag ka na mag-alala, baka di naman sila nanonood.
I'd like to think na nanonood sila. Kasi gusto ko rin naririnig. Actually, gusto ko maraming makinig dito eh.
Makinig.
Itong work-life balance. Because sa edad natin ngayon I'm sure na napag-usapan na natin to a couple of times already.
Yeah.
One way or another, yung pagtotodo mo ng work, it will take a toll on you.
Yes, burnout.
Super. Hindi lang burnout with your health also.
Sobra.
Okay lang, sige, ma-burnout ka ganyan. Pero yung pagkatinamaan dahil sa, ang dahil kong kakilala na
Bumulagta na lang.
totoo. Hanggang sila na cancer and stuff.
Madami rin akong kilalahan na ganun ang nangyari sa kanila.
At silang lahat na yun, sila yung mga hardworking employees. Parang isip ko, parang dapat hindi na lang maging hardworking. Ayoko mamamatay. Kaya, sa mga nakikinig nito, okay naman maging hardworking, pero make sure you spend time with your family, and to rest. Kasi-
R&R, recharge ka muna. Ano yung meaning ng R&R? Rock and roll? Rest and rejuvenate? Yun ba yun?
Rest, hindi. Isa rest and
Retire?
makatakot yung retire. Yung pag-retire.
Uy, kung pag magre-retire ka naman sa isang rest house by the beach, why not? Early retirement, when you can
Kaya
still
marami ko
travel.
sabihin ng retire eh. May retire na 6 feet under.
Ay, grabe naman.
Just kidding.
Kasi parang when you retire, everyone's looking forward to it in Canada.
Diba?
Kasi
Kaya
you
nga-
get your pension,
Oo.
tapos you don't need to work.
Kaya nga you really need to work hard. Para-
So that's why ang smart nga ng Gen Zs. Because what they do is they don't work hard, they work smart.
they work.
Which is hindi nakasanayan ng mga millennials. That's why when we work alongside them,
Because you know why?
mm,
Nararamdaman ko din, bakit ganun? Ang mga millennials ay hindi nag-work smart because yung mga nakasanayan natin,
sanay
boss
tayo
natin,
work hard
are
talaga.
boomers. And
Oo.
boomers are raised in a
Parang
society na they really
Trabaho
have to
ka dyan.
work. Hindi sanay sila sa work.
may ass whooping talaga.
Yes. So andun tayo sa na kailangan we have to prove our bosses that they're really working hard.
And that's how we kind of earned our keep. If talagang umiyak tayo, dugot pawis, literal. The saying dugot pawis ko yan. It's how we were trained to do work.
Yes.
Like, we will not call ourselves done with the job if we didn't cry about it.
True.
Talagang pag di ka naiyak sa
Totoo.
trabaho mo, di mo deserve kung ano man makuha.
Oo.
Ganon before. But thankfully, nag-change na dahil nga, people are smarter na bakit naman ako papakahirap when I can do it differently
Correct.
and get the same results? Like, why not?
Tama, output-based dapat.
Mm-mm.
Hindi yung
Hard work.
porque lagi ka lang na nakikitang nag-work, busy-busyhan, di ba?
Yung ikaw ay last na umalis sa office, but really, what did you do between, during
Wala
the 8
kang
hours?
output. Sayang.
Oo, sayang din ng pera ng
Mas gusto ko na yung, ako personally sa team ko, over the years, na dami ko na nahawakan na teams, output-based ako. I don't need you in the office. As long as you can give
Yung
me
results.
numbers
Mm-mm.
and results, I don't mind.
Correct. I agree. I agree.
Diba? Sarap ng feeling na ganun. Sarap ng feeling na cool boss ka. Uy, astig, yung boss ko. Just kidding.
Kaya lang
Pero
niya ako.
gusto kong ganun.
Hindi niya alam, binabayaran ko lang ibang tao para gawin trabaho ko.
Pero okay lang, it worked.
Oo,
for the
pera mo
person,
yan
diba?
eh. Ikaw na choice mo na yan.
Diba?
Basta ako nakuha ko yung gusto ko. I-outsource mo man yan somewhere, it's on you. But I need you to get it done. Why not?
May output pa rin.
Yes,
Magandang resulta.
exactly. I agree.
Kaya lang good luck din man yung
Kasi alam mo, yung hard work juju na yun is just, I wanna see you working hard. May power trip na lang yun. Parang I just wanna see them suffer.
Oh, parang may pinagdaanan sila dati.
Na parang,
Gusto nila i-pass-
this is my time, this is my revenge.
Gusto nila i-pass down yung hirap na ganda.
May mga ganun talaga na,
Yung mga tinatablan dyan.
sabi nga ni Kevin Hart, shots fired.
Kayo ba, yung mga boss nyo ba, pinaramdaman ng mga boss nyo sa inyo ang work-life balance?
Oo daw.
Mabisag sagot.
Oo daw. Narinig ko. Sabi, oo, naramdaman.
Good for you. Good for you. Good for you.
Siyempre,
Pero alam mo,
ngayon na lang kasi yan, nung nag-start yung about mental health, as people started working from home because, people started committing suicide, blah, blah, blah. Doon na naging discussion yung naging priority na yung mental health.
Working hard ay, tulong mo siya to climb the ladder of, diba, of success, something like that. And hindi siya yung sinabing working hard na parang, you're really tired, na ayaw mo na. Parang dati wala namang burnout. Hindi ko alam yung dati. Hindi ko alam yung dati. Basta pagka nag-work hard ka, you will climb the ladder. Magiging pwede ka ma-promote.
Exactly.
Something
Ganon.
like that, di ba? Mas magaling ka. Kasi mas marami kang experience eh.
Totoo. Tapos,
Ayun lang naman siya naging-
yung pag una kang umalis sa office, ibig sabihin, hindi ka masipag.
Oo, yung mga, anong tawag ng boss ko doon? On the dot? Hindi, may iba ba siya?
Parang narinig ko yun.
Anong tawag? May tawag doon yung boss ko eh.
May funny term doon ng Filipinos, di ba?
Okay. Yung on the dot.
Asa yun.
Shucks, I forgot.
Basta pag binibilang mo na yung oras, nagka-clock watcher ka na ng, okay,
5
lapit
minutes
na.
before, no, hindi na nagtatrabaho. Pero, pag papasok yan,
1 hour, nandun na siya. Hindi pa rin siya nagsa-start.
Oo. Hindi, dadating yan, 30 minutes before. Pero, magka-coffee pa sila, magpa-brush ng teeth,
Oo, tapos
mag-make
mag-make up.
Ang start nila, 9:10. Very good. Ay, nako.
Tapos, pag di natapos yung trabaho, OT. Kanya-kanyang diskarte.
Discarded. Kasi doon lang sila.
Hindi ka pera. I mean, ako hindi ko biniblame.
Discarded.
Yun na nga. I mean, yun ang discarding millennial, by the way. Ay, nako. May natutunan naman ng Gen Z. Charot! No, I mean, they probably know that already.
Hindi ko alam na nila yun.
Yeah, I mean, kasi
Marami akong makilalang Gen Z na.
sobrang baba naman ng sweldo ng mga
Oo.
Di mo na sila
somehow
masisisi.
maintindihan
Oo.
mo rin sila kung saan sila nanggagaling.
totoo.
Na para bang hindi natin pinanggalingan.
Gets na gets naman. Like, iba na lang kasi yung nature ng work natin pareho. Pero when we were also doing the operation side of things, na talaga nasa desk ka lang the whole day.
Yeah.
Minsan yung oras talagang mabagal, minsan
Totoo.
sobrang bilis. Tapos pagtingin mo ng pay mo, ay, ito lang yun. Yeah.
Kaya instead of doing that, yung sa racket ka na lang,
Yeah, side hustle,
side hustle ka na
ganyan.
lang. At least hindi mo dinadaya yung company na nagpapasweldo sa'yo.
True, tama. So kung gusto mong mag-earn ng extra, then think of another source of income. So in a nutshell,
Pangit siya pakinggan.
Pero,
sa mga gumagawa nun. Pero,
yung may side hustle, yun naman.
hindi, yung, yung nagka-clock out, yung nag-OT. pero
Tawag ng boss ko nun
nag-clock
before, twiddling, what do you think? I'm twiddling my thumbs here. Lagi niya sinasabi niya, twiddling my thumbs, my former boss at Schenker. But he was being funny when he said it. Pero lagi niya kasing, expression yun, what do you, I'm just here twiddling my thumbs, go get me water. Kasi, I was sitting right across his room and wala siyang assistant. And, anyway, so he's like, can you get me water? Parang ginawa ko secretary. The boss, I'm doing something. I didn't call him boss because that's not something that we actually do sa Kasi you call by first name lang. Oh, parang first name basis lang talaga. Sabi ko, parang in short, sabi ko, wait lang. Kasi may ginagawa ako. Sabi niya, bakit daw di ko gawin dahil busy daw siya. Pero pabiro lang. So, I guess now we can say that we've concluded the answer to that question is no, it doesn't exist.
It doesn't exist!
In short, it's a hoax because you cannot do it side by side. Talagang either you do this first so that you have the liberty to do more of life later on, or you do more of life now, then do work later on. So
because
that's
you
that.
cannot give 100% to things.
Yes, you can only do 100% at one thing. So if 50-50, the half-half lang. So you're just do half-assed on both. Oh my
And that's
God.
it.
Alright, thank you guys.
Thank you guys for watching. Level up na tayo. At magandang mga episodes natin. We'll see you on the next. I hope you watch this episode and the next one. And the
Next one.
Next
And then
after
we'll
that.
continue making more.
yes.
Whether you like it or not.
Wala kayong magagawa.
Wala kayong
Pero sana
magagawa.
makarelate kayo. Maawa naman kayo. Manood naman kayo. Di ba?
But suggest topics that you want to discuss.
Correct. And
We're open to
our
it.
social media accounts, you can check us out dito sa mga dito sa mga social media pages na dito.
Yes, we'll see you there.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye. Mwah.